Hi grade 9s, my name is Jennifer Godlinton, but my students call me Miss G, and I've been teaching maths for the last 10 years. I love sharing my passion of numbers with my students, and I try and make sure that each lesson is fun and interactive, and everyone who wants to try and answer something gets a chance to answer. This course we're going to be focusing on Pythagoras' theorem. It's going to be 4 lessons long, so that's going to be lasting over 2 weeks. There are lots of additional exercises you can do on the Watobi app, as well as a quiz at the end of the course to make sure that you understand all the content that has been taught. While Pythagoras is quite a small section, it filters into a lot of different topics that you'll do in grade 9 as well as grade 10 and 11, so it's an important one to know well. We're going to start by actually understanding what Pythagoras' theorem actually is and have a proper full knowledge of what it means for the hypotenuse squared to be equal to the sum of our other two sides squared. Because if we don't fully understand the theorem, when the questions get more complicated, it's going to become a problem. So we're going to spend some time making sure we fully understand the theorem. Then we're going to move into some questions. We're going to start off with some nice easy questions like this one. And remember, all of our lessons are online. They're interactive. You can ask questions whenever you want if you feel uncertain. And if things are not making sense, you can ask me to slow down or you can ask me for more information. The power is in your hands. And we try and make it as easy for you to ask questions as possible. So let's have a look at this question here and see what we would do. Now, first we can see that our unknown side is our hypotenuse, which is our longest side of a right angle triangle. And we now know our Pythagoras theorem, which we would know at this stage when we start these questions. And so we could say, well, x squared, which is our hypotenuse, is equal to the sum of our other two sides squared. And because it's maths and we love reasons, we always want to give our reason. Okay, then we can jump into our calculator. We can start working this out. So x squared is equal to 16 plus 9, which means x squared is equal to 25. And so we can square root both sides, and x would then be equal to 5. It's that easy.